Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic check engine light. First, ensure your car is completely off. Locate your car battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal for about 15 minutes. This simple method can often clear the light, especially if it was triggered by a minor, temporary issue. Remember to reconnect it securely afterward. Another effective way to reset the light is by using an OBD-II scanner. These devices plug into your car's diagnostic port, typically found beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. The scanner will display any diagnostic trouble codes. Once you've noted them, you can use the scanner's menu to clear the codes, turning off the check engine light. It's crucial to remember that simply resetting the check engine light doesn't fix the problem that caused it. Always investigate the root cause. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap. Other times, it could be a faulty sensor or a more complex engine issue. Fixing the problem ensures the light stays off and your car runs properly. If your check engine light reappears soon after resetting, or if it's flashing, it's a strong indicator of a more serious problem. A flashing light often signals an engine misfire that could damage your catalytic converter. In these situations, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. They can accurately diagnose and repair the issue, keeping your Honda Civic reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.